Hey, let me show you how you can transfer data from your iPhone into the Google Pixel 10 Pro. So in this video, I will show you a little bit different method than we are using on the Android, because for some reason, the Android switch from Google, it's not working properly on iPhone. So what you have to do on our Pixel first, go to the Google Play Store, go to the search and find this application, share it. Download this application, and we have to actually do the same on this iPhone. So go to the App Store, go for the search and find Share It application. First of all, let's start from the Pixel 10 Pro, and over here we have to accept everything that will pop up on the screen, all of those permissions and access. There we go. And now do the same on iPhone. So accept everything one by one. As you can see, unfortunately, we got some kind of the ads here because it's completely free application. We don't have to pay for it, and we have to actually watch some ads. But if you have the same issue that the smart switch is not working properly, you have to use this application. So now we are redirected to the browser, but basically we have to click X to close this annoying ad on the iPhone. Yeah, just like this. Click next again, and again, and again. And we don't want to pay for it, so we want to get 3 days free trial if you want to go premium. But if you want to only transfer once, you have to click X in the left upper corner. And now accept another permissions on your iPhone, and now select Send on your iPhone. And on your Pixel, select Receive. Click to open to grant nearby device permission, nearby, I mean. Click next, and now it just start a hotspot. So on the iPhone, we can close this ad one more time. It goes with super bright screen, so I'm gonna definitely decrease. Okay, right now we cannot do this because it just turns on for the QR code scanning. There we go. And now what we have to do, basically we have to select everything that we want to send. So we got some photos, videos and stuff like this. You will have to go over this stuff and accept everything that you want to transfer, including even some contacts and other files. If you select everything, click send. Now accept all of those permissions. And now we have to click on this QR code scanner, and we have to scan this QR code by using our iPhone. Now we have to click to join to this network. Now just be patient and wait for it. And as you can see, the transfer is on the way. Okay, now it looks like everything was sent from our iPhone into the Pixel 10 Pro. So let's find out, and let's go into the Google Files. And yes, as you can see, I can find here all of those images, videos that I have selected, and it's successfully in my new phone. So that's how we can do this.